What? Who is it? Leave me alone. I told you I don't want to talk. Okay, fine. I make deal with you. You give me one small bite of your neck, and I will talk to you. What? It won't hurt. I promise. Fine, I talk to you. I only wanted one small bite, you selfish YouTuber. So, what? You don't want to talk to me now because I have blood on my chin. Oh, forget your etiquette. I had a rat earlier. It was a small snack for me. It's like nachos or Doritos for you. You know, I tried your Doritos before. I thought it was blood flavor, but it was very bad. Tastes very nasty for me. Anywho, so, I'm very depressed. I've been sitting around the castle listening to the bats. I have nothing to do. And I don't know if the Lady Gaga saw my video. So I'm very depressed. I thought that she would come to Transylvania with her little monsters and amuse me. The grand holiday is over. Halloween is gone. So I have no more small children to scare. So, I'm very depressed. I think I need psychiatrist. I need someone, or therapist, whatever you call it. Do you know of someone? You do. Do you think they take the vampires? I'm a very good vampire. I promise not to bite. I only want to talk. I promise, I only want to talk. Send me comment or video response, whatever you call it, with the psychiatrist number. So, yes, I really need to talk. So, I wanted to say, I can't talk anymore, I'm getting hungry. I would try another rat, but have you ever had a fang get stuck in a rat? It is awful. I mean, it gets stuck in their intestines, and you're trying to suck the blood, and you're trying to hoist the rat out of your fang, and the rat spews across the floor. It is crazy. Anywho, I know you're not a vampire, so you can't relate. Fine, whatever. Anywho, I'm getting hungry. You get out of here before I change my mind about biting you. I see you next Halloween.